Hi everybody, Eugene here with Darkroom software. In this quick video we're going to talk about using variables on digital delivery products to create subfolders to help stay organized. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a subfolder based on the order ID or the catalog. We're going to cover both of them and even adding to a print package so that it's a one-click thing that creates the print and saves it to a folder on, in this case, my desktop. So let's jump into my computer and see how to do this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to the Setup tab. I have a package group here with 5x7, just a normal standard print. And then I have a package here, but just it says save file, but there's no actual print item in it. So let's add that. What we're going to do is add digital delivery and click OK. And I am going to select a folder on my desktop. And then I'm going to add a slash and then use my variables. That slash is going to tell it to create a new folder with this name. Use variable order ID, and then let me just check to make sure I don't have anything else added. Okay, so in this option, this would be used if you had a copyright release. For this demo, we're not going to be using it, but if you wanted to include it with it, you could include extra files. Go ahead and click apply, and now when we go to our photo library, select a few images and click save file and then place order. It's going to create a new folder. Let's go to my desktop. Whoops. There we go. And there is the order name for the subfolder. If we create, do another order and click save files, place order, you'll see that it creates another subfolder, and it's generating those images right now. And so they're staying organized by the order name. So if you're saving to, let's say, flash drives, they know which order to add to the flash drive. Okay, so let's go a little bit further and make it a little bit more intuitive. Instead of using the order ID, let's use the catalog name. You can see I have them saved in subcatalogs, and that's a little easier visually. So if you're prepared, you create subcatalogs for the different sessions you have, you can use that data. So in this setup, we're going to actually print and save a file at the same time. So I'm going to rename my package, and then we're going to check quick print so it actually goes without having to click anything else. As soon as I select that package, it's going to print and save the file to a folder with the catalog name. So we have our 5x7, we're going to add our digital delivery or digital media, and something that I forgot to cover, digital delivery products are found at the bottom of this group, and then digital media. So we'll want to select our folder again, save files, and this version we're going to use variables and then catalog name, and just make sure we don't have any extra files being added. Apply settings, and now when we switch over to the photo workshop, if I select an image, let's go with this one right here, click 5x7 and file, it will start printing the 5x7, and it'll also create a new folder with the catalog name. You can see it right there. It's a good way to stay organized and be able to look back at what you've printed as well. So here's our print, and there's that image saved to a folder with the catalog name, in this case the subject's name. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.